Hello everyone, welcome back to Goms Tech Talks channel. So today we are going to discuss about an exciting internship opportunity at Seagate. So if you are looking for an internship with a stipend, so you should definitely look into this particular internship. So before we proceed, I'd like to tell you that this is my channel Goms Tech Talks, and if you haven't subscribed it, please go and subscribe now. Here this particular playlist is very useful for the students, that is skill up playlist. So if you just click here, you can find a lot of internship opportunities here. Free courses, that is free courses from IBM, Cisco, Microsoft, everything. And also you will understand about the job opportunities, how to prepare your letter of recommendations, how to choose your internship. Everything I have discussed in details in this particular playlist, so you can go and watch that. So let's go ahead straight away to the internship opportunity, which is by Seagate. So this is the location is in Pune, and the posting date is October 9th. Okay, so here you can see here like what is this internship is all about. So we'll be discussing about what is this internship and what expected from your side. Okay, everything. So as an intern, you'll be joining Seagate's global quality team. This role will immerse you in a quality process and offer you a hands-on experience in key areas like understanding data management, infrastructure and pipelines. So here you can see you will gain experience in agile software development and deployment in Linux environment, working with Hadoop clusters and contributing to analytics tool development, collaborating on formulation and deployment of AI applications, sharpening both your technical and soft skill through project work and presentations. So this is all these key things you'll be gaining once you get involved into it. Okay, so you should be willing to learn. That is what they are expecting, and you should have like technical as well as the soft skills, and you should be working as a team. Okay, so you will be a part of a team, so you should know how to work as a team. And they are also expecting few experience from you, like you should have experience in web development, especially in the framework like Angular, proficiency in programming languages like C, C++ or Python, as well as SQL and PostgreSQL. You should have familiarity with the Linux environment and Docker is a additional advantage and selection criteria. And you should have knowledge or experience with AI tools, could be an advantage additionally, and a collaborative mindset and the ability to thrive in a fast-paced team environment. So if you're not aware of what is Seagate, okay, who is Seagate? Is what like Seagate is a company, you know, like Seagate is a company where they are there for 4 decades of storage innovation. It empowers humanity to thrive in the data age and helps people and businesses navigate the ever-expanding data landscape. So they craft precision engineered cutting-edge solution that help the world store and manage exponential data growth. So you might have seen a pen drive or a hard disk or a SD drives, which is mentioned as a Seagate. So Seagate is powered by the talented, passionate and diverse workforce of 40,000 plus employees across the globe, and striving towards the excellence every single day. They show up with the values of customers, for customers, business partners, shareholders and communities alike. So with this particular, what is the add-on advantage, like what you will be getting it? Okay, so that is an important thing here. So Seagate is providing you a stipend of 60K. Okay, so you will be provided with a stipend, and where you'll be playing an important role in this. So this is like a corporate quality internship where you'll be provided with approximately 5,64,854 per annum. Okay, nearly 60K per annum. So at least between 35K to 40K per annum you'll be per month you'll be getting it. Okay, so the stipend will be like that. The only thing is, if you are aware of C++, Python, it will be an added advantage here. So that is what expected from you. So you can just learn more about the Seagate here. Okay, so this link is there in the pinned comment, you can find it, and also you can learn more about Seagate. Okay, so where it is and what they are providing, so everything you can find about here, like who is Seagate and why should you apply. So while applying for this, okay, so always be sure that you are not applying for any other spam link, through any other spam link. Just use this link which is provided by Seagate itself. And if you are getting a call somewhere from Seagate and they are asking you to pay for something, so that's a fraud alert. Okay, so you should be very aware of that. So don't just go and apply for any internship whom they are asking you to pay. Either you should work to gain the experience without any cost, or else you should get the stipend. You should not be asked for the cost to get into the internship. So if you wanted to find some more opportunities at Seagate, you can see here search jobs, and also you can find university programs, hiring process, life at Seagate. So if you just click on the university programs, you will just know a lot of things. And if you want to go and search for a job, you can just click here to search for the job. So here you can see various jobs at Seagate, like you can just go and search here, or else so you also have data science intern, MDW, MSDW, that is in Singapore. Okay, so just click here. So the date, you can just check when you should when they have just uploaded this. Okay, so you can find various internship opportunities across the globe. Wherever Seagate office is available, so you can find the corresponding role here. So this is industrial engineering intern, and you can see the data analytics intern at Sugar and intern. So you can find various internship opportunities here, as well as the job opportunities. So you can just go ahead and explore what are the various opportunities which are provided by the Seagate. So this is in Singapore, equipment engineering control. So I just went to this particular link, search jobs. So if you just click here, you can find a lot of jobs here specifically for the interns, like for the interns, and also for the job level. If you want to just searching for the entry level job, you can find it here. Just go ahead and apply. Even if you feel like, no, I don't have these knowledge, I know Python but I don't know C or C++, don't worry, just go ahead and apply. Might be if you're doing good, they may get, or like they may definitely recruit you for this particular internship. Okay, so if you want to understand like how to write a cover letter, how to write a letter of recommendations, or anything related to internship, you can check here. Or if you feel like you require even more personal guidance from my side, you can just schedule a call with me here. You can check this link. Okay, the link will be there in the description. You can find it and you can connect with me. So I hope you got excellent information from this. Please share it with your friends so that you will get a lot of they will also get to know like how to apply for this particular internship. Have a great day. I'll be meeting you soon with the next exciting video. Take care. Bye bye.